Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, or tonight, excuse me, video with Eurocar upgrades. In front of me we have a Volkswagen Passat. This gentleman came in looking to get his old analog instrument cluster swapped out for a virtual one. It's pretty obvious the difference. Cool features here, navigation, telephone, music, all right in front of you. Now it's not just a simple plug and play part swap here. We have to go in, code this instrument cluster to be accepted by the vehicle's modules in order for the vehicle to work functionally and properly. It was a big project, fun project, but we're happy we had it and we're happy we got it finished. Thank you for watching, and give us a call or look us up on Facebook anytime, or ask our friendly team for more information. Thanks and have a good night.